this video, we're gonna see how we can use the function sum. So we're gonna sum colon B to E. We're gonna also see how we can sum the line from Olivia to John. And we'll also see how we can sum multiple range. So for example, Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 plus Q4. And at the end of the video, we're gonna see how we can sum an entire column. So even if we update the number for David and other sales reps, this one will be updated automatically. So let's start. Okay, so to sum the column Q1 to Q4 for Olivia, we start with equal and we write down sum. And then we have two ways. We can either scroll. It's from P3 to E3, we close parentheses, or we can write down the first column. For Raphael, it's B4 to E4. So here we just scroll down, so it's gonna sum the whole thing. So for the line, it's the same. So we sum the line for Q1, Olivia to John, we just scroll down. So it's from B3 to B12. Or we can just write it down. So the first one is like C3. And then the last one is C12. For the total, we're gonna use the multiple range. So we can scroll down for Q1. Or we can just write B3 to B12. And then we just add the comma. And then we can now add Q2. We add another comma. We add Q3. We add another comma. So now we can write Q4. So it's E3 to E12. For the multiple range, so let's say we want to sum all Q1. So here as well, we have two options. So we can do it like this. So BB, so we just get the whole column B. Or we can do it another way when we just click here and then we got the whole C. Same with D. And same with E. Now let's say, for example, for David, the first Q1, so here you can see it's 95,000. So let's say Q1 for David is 100,000. So you see here it's 195, it got updated automatically. So let's say, for example, for Sarah here, Q2 is 100,000. So Q2 is 77, now is 177. And this is the same for everyone, so it's like, yeah, got updated, and we just keep going. We can even add other sales reps, and this one will be updated automatically.